Thanks, Chair Powell. Matt Egan with CNN. So you mentioned earlier that you're monitoring the shipping data, and we have seen in the shipping data that imports from China into the Port of Los Angeles have plunged, and that has raised concerns about potential shortages. What tools, if any, does the Fed have to ensure that prices and inflation expectations don't get out of hand if tariffs do cause significant supply chain disruptions?
I mean, we don't have, the kind of tools that are good at dealing with supply chain problems. We don't have that at all. That's a job for the administration and for the private sector more than anything. What we can do with our interest rate tool is we can be more or less supportive of demand, and that'd be a very inefficient way to try to fix supply chain problems. But we don't see the inflation yet. We're of course reading the same stories and watching the same data as everybody else. And, right now we see inflation, kind of moving sideways at a fairly low level.
If I could follow up on that, President Trump has indicated that he will likely name a replacement for you when your term as chair expires next year. But your position on the board runs through January 2028, I believe. Would you consider remaining on the Fed board even if you're no longer chair?
So I don't have anything for you on that. My whole focus is on, and my colleagues' focus is all on, trying to navigate this tricky passage we're in right now, trying to make the right decisions. We want to make the best decisions for the people that we serve. That's what we think about day and night. And this is a challenging situation, and that's 100% of our focus right now.